And why do you think it's important that people watch this show?
Well, I don't know. People don't have to watch it. I hope they watch it because they are entertained by it. I don't think, we're solving cancer.
Stay up at night.
Missing her.
Missing Wanda.
No, I don't.
Before you start filming the movies, what's the thing you get most excited about?
I get most excited by cooking and eating.
You're trending because people are so excited that you are presenting tomorrow at the Academy Awards.
That makes you trend just to show up?
Vision are the piece of the Mind Stone that lives in me.
It's so crazy to say. You are the piece of the Mind Stone that lives in me. That's like speaking in a foreign language.
Please name all 6 of the Infinity Stones for me.
Yellow, blue, red.
Colors or the name?
Gold, rose gold.